Hello friends, welcome to CS Tutorials. Today we'll be solving problem 94, Binary Tree Inorder Traversal. This video is a follow-up to our previous video where we solved this problem recursively. If you've not watched the video, I suggest you watch the video before proceeding to, watch this one. Without wasting too much time, we're just going to dive into the code. We're going to be using, as we already know, a list to store our answers, excuse me, integer list new array list. And we're going to be using a stock of tree node, and we're going to call it stock be equal to new stock of tree node. And we're also going to be using a pointer, current pointer, which will be pointing to the head or to the root, excuse me. We'll use this to traverse through our tree. So what we want to do now is um, we can add a, an if statement here, an if condition. It says if the root is equal to null, we don't have to go through this, we just return the list. And we go ahead and say while our traverse through our tree, as we've always done, while the current is not equal to null, or our stock dot size is greater than 0, our stock dot size is greater than 0, we go again and say while car, which is our current pointer, is not equal to null, we want to push the values we encounter to the stock. Push. Oh, excuse me, that's bad. Stack dot push current. Now we want to move our current pointer forward and make it point to the left, to the left node. And by doing this, the next thing we want to do now is pop whatever is on the top of our stack. And when we do that, we want to make sure, we process every node and don't leave anything in the stack. Then we go ahead and add the card or val into the stack, sorry, into our list, and we process the right side of our tree. And when we're done with this, we'll return list. As we know, Inorder Traversal traverses the left first, then the node, the left side of the tree first, then the node, then the right side of the tree. So for example, for using what we're given here, it goes at number 1, it says, is there anything on the left? There's nothing. Okay, I'll add 1 to the list, which we see here. And it comes right. Is there anything on this on your left? Yes. Okay, I'll take this left. It adds it there, and then it goes back and adds the node, and then it comes back, and that's why we have 1, 3, 2. So without wasting too much time, we'll go ahead and run this code. As we can see, we get the result we are supposed to get. I'll submit this code, and we are 100% faster than Java Online Submissions. If you like this video, if you find it informative and educational, please like the video and leave a comment, subscribe, and we're going to be posting out more videos that's going to be helpful to you. I strongly suggest reading a little bit more on in-order, level order, post-order, and pre-order traversal. It's going to be very helpful for you as you prepare for your interview or even just to better yourself. Good luck and happy coding.